Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and easy crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to send Madic from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet in 2025. If you're into blockchain or just starting out, sending Madic, that's the token for the Polygon network, can be straightforward, but it's crucial to do it right to avoid any hiccups. By the end of this video, you'll have it down pat. Let's jump in. First off, make sure you're all set up. You'll need a verified Coinbase account with some Madic in it, and the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device. Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana and other networks, so double-check that it's connected to the right blockchain, Polygon in this case. Step 1. Open your Coinbase app or website and log in securely. Head over to your portfolio and find your Madic balance. Step 2. Click on the Send or Withdraw option next to Madic. This will open a form where you'll enter the details. Step 3. In your Phantom Wallet app, go to the Receive section and copy your wallet address. Make sure it's for the Polygon network to match your Madic, always verify to prevent errors. Step 4. Back in Coinbase, paste that wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of Madic you want to send and review any network fees. These can vary, so keep an eye on them to avoid surprises. Step 5. Hit Confirm and authorize the transaction. You'll might need to use two-factor authentication for security. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes, but could be longer depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open your Phantom Wallet and refresh to see your Madic arrive. A quick tip. Always start with a small test amount if you're new to this, and never share your wallet's private key. If you run into issues, check the official support pages for Coinbase and Phantom. There you have it. Sending Madic is now a breeze. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and stay safe out there.